Hey guys, Geeking to everyone. On this video I'm gonna tell you how to decompress files in Linux. Before I start telling you how to decompress files in Linux, I recommend you to watch another video how to compress files in Linux on my YouTube channel. So you can find the link for that video on the information below. Okay, let's create a file on my current working directory using echo command. So by this command I will create text file named file1.txt and insert this string inside. So press enter. As you can see, there is this text file. Okay, if you use a cut command to check the content inside this file, you can see there is expression hello geeks inside this file. Okay, if you want to compress this file, you can use a gzip command. So type gzip and then specify the file you want to compress. As you can see, there is another file with the same name, file1.txt plus gz extension. This is compressed file. Okay, if you want to decompress files in Linux, you can use a gzip command -d option. So if you want to decompress this file, how you can do that? Okay, on most Linux distributions such as Ubuntu, CentOS and Debian, Gunzip command is a bash script wrapper to the gzip -d option command. So gzip -d option equals to gunzip. So if you want to decompress this file, you can use a gzip -d option, and this command is going to be equal to gunzip. Okay, if you want to decompress this file using gzip command -d option, you can do it like that. Okay, then you press enter, and as you can see, there is a original file from our compressed one. Okay, let's compress this file one more time and decompress it using a gunzip command. Okay, as you can see, there is an original file. Okay, further on this video, I'm gonna use a gunzip command instead of gzip -d option because it's a more comfortable and more shorter command. But one more time, you have to know that gunzip is a bash script wrapper to the gzip -d command. Okay, let's clear the terminal and compress one more time our text file. There are some options you can use with gunzip command. I want to show you most used option. First option, -k option. By -k option, you can save or keep the original file. So how it works? You have to type gzip, then -k option, and then the file you want to decompress. Okay, sorry, one more time. Gunzip, not gzip, of course. So press enter. As you can see, there are two files, original one and compressed one. By default, without any options, Gunzip firstly decompressed the compressed file, and second, it deleted the compressed file. So in the end, we have only one original file. But if you use a K option, you can save or keep alive the compressed file. So in the end, you can use, so in the end, there are two files, original one and compressed one. Okay. Also, if you want to keep original files, you can use a -C option. -C option allows you to keep the compressed file and optionally decompress it to another file. Okay, let's use a -C option with Gunzip. We're gonna decompress this file, this compressed file. Then you have to specify the location where you want to decompress this file. So it's gonna be decompressed file. Okay, press enter. As you can see, there is another file, decompressed file, created by this command. We can see using cut command the content inside this file. As you can see, there is a original content of our text file. So that means Gunzip command works properly well. Okay, let's create a directory here named dir1. And let's create several files inside this directory using a touch command. Okay, there are 3 files inside this directory. Okay, firstly, let's compress all files inside this directory. By the way, if you want to know more information how to compress files in Linux, you can check the video on my YouTube channel about compression files in Linux. Okay, you can use a gzip command. Okay, by this command, you recursively compress all files inside this directory, not only inside this directory, if there are another directories inside these directories with other files, all these files are gonna be compressed by this command. So -R option means recursively, so press enter. Okay, as you can see on this directory, all our files, turn into compressed files. So if you want to decompress all these files, you can use a gunzip -R. Then you have to specify a directory where you want to decompress files recursively. So press enter. Okay, okay, let's clear the terminal. Okay, as you can see, all these files decompressed successfully. So one more option, you can use with gunzip command to show information about the given compressed file. Okay, there is a compressed file, file1 txt.gz. Let's use a gunzip, then option -L, and then you specify the name of compressed file. So press enter. On this information, you can see compressed size uncompressed size, ratio, and uncompressed name of the file. So in some ways it's a useful information. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it and it was useful for you. Ciao ciao.